Good morning, students. Today we will do the grammar chapter adjectives. So let's discuss this concept. Before telling about adjectives, I will tell you about a noun. You have read it in your earlier classes. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. It is the name of a person, place, or thing. So let's start adjectives. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. See the example, Vijay is a boy. Here you get the information, just Vijay is a boy. But if we tell what kind of boy is he, then this word, Vijay is a good boy, good boy. Good word tells what kind of boy Vijay is. So good word is an adjective. See few more examples. What is a describing word? What is an adjective? Words which describe the noun or pronoun are called adjectives or describing word. And these words tell something about a person, place or thing. Remember one thing, adjectives are almost always placed before noun or pronoun. See the example. He wore black jacket. So here what is the noun? Jacket. And before jacket there is a word black. So black. Black word telling about jacket. What kind of jacket it is. So black is an adjective. Similarly, second one, she is sitting in red car. Car is a noun and red word telling what kind of car. So car is noun and red is an adjective. Baby drinks little milk. Now milk. Milk is noun. How much milk? Little milk. So little is an adjective of quantity. So remember, an adjective always tells something about a person, place or thing. It may tell the quantity, quality, number and other things. So let's discuss in detail. We can also use adjectives after noun or pronoun. How? Let's see. He is very smart. Now smart is an adjective and it is telling about he, pronoun he. Similarly, my mother is very caring and loving. Here caring and loving words are used for my mother. So these are adjectives and have been used after noun or pronoun. But remember, when we use these words after noun or pronoun, there is a verb, be form of verb. Now let's take one activity. You write any name or your name. Then taking each letter of your name, you can write an adjective starting from that letter, such as H, helpful, E, energetic, E, elegant, N, nice, E, active. So do this activity on A4 sheet or in your notebook. Now let's discuss types of adjectives. There are 6 types. First one is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, adjective of it's a demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. First one is adjectives of quality. This adjective tells about the quality of a person, place or thing. In quality, what do we count? We count age, size, color, shape, feeling, or character. And these words tell us about what kind of a noun is. Here I have written few words: slippery, hard, beautiful, gentle, kind, good, angry, bright, calm, blunt, rich, straight, deep, etc. These words tell us what kind of a person, thing, or place is. Few examples: the hungry cats are crying. So, cats, noun. What kind of cats? Hungry. So, hungry is an adjective. Next is heavy rain is expected in the evening. Rain is noun. What kind of rain? Heavy rain. So, it is an adjective. I saw an interesting movie last night. Movie is a noun. And what kind of movie? Interesting movie. So, interesting, adjective. She is wearing a beautiful gown. Gown is noun. What kind of noun? What kind of gown? That is beautiful. So, beautiful is adjective. Remember, these words may describe age, quality, size, color, shape, and feelings. Now, next one is adjectives of quantity. These words tell how much of a thing we are talking about. Actually, these words give the answer how much. Quantitative adjectives are used with uncountable nouns such as little, some, few, many, enough, whole, all, half, no, sufficient, extra. See the examples. Give some milk. So, milk is a noun, and some. How much milk? Some milk. So, some is an adjective. Few liters of oil left in tank. You can also say few oil left in tank. Few oil left in tank. We don't know how much oil. So, few is an adjective. I don't have any chocolate in my bag. Chocolates, noun. Any chocolate. So, any, adjective. I have sufficient money for shopping. Sufficient, adjective. There is enough juice for my breakfast. Enough, adjective. Now, next one is adjectives of number. This adjective describes the number of noun. It gives the answer how many, and it is always used with countable nouns. See, I have 3 children, 4 cars, 3 kittens, 73 marks, 10 years, 2 hours. So these words 3, 4, 3, 73, 10, 2. These are all adjectives of number. Next one is possessive adjectives tell us who something or someone belongs to, who is the owner of a noun. These shows possession or ownership. There are these words: my, mine, your, their, our, its, his, her. See the example. This is my house. House is a noun. And my house, my word showing whose house is this? Who is the owner of the house? So, my is possessive adjective. His car, car. Whose car? His car. Who is the owner of car? His. So, his word is possessive adjective. Our job, job. Whose job? Our job. So, this is possessive. Her books, her. Whose books? Her. So, her is possessive adjective. Remember, these words are adjectives when these are placed before a noun. It is must. If there is no noun after these words, then these words are not adjectives. Next is demonstrative adjectives. What are these? These point out to noun. Which noun? Demonstrative adjectives always come before the word it modifies. This, that, these, those. These are the 4 demonstrative adjectives. See the example. This house is very beautiful. House. Which house? This house. This word is demonstrative adjective. So remember, after this there is a noun. If there is no noun, then it will become pronoun. I will explain after that. Take the second example. Give me that book. Book is noun. That book. That word pointing out which book. So that is demonstrative adjective. These bags. These demonstrative adjective. Those flower. Those demonstrative adjective. Now next is interrogative adjectives. What are these? These are used with nouns to ask question. An interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or pronoun. It is for all: interrogative, demonstrative, possessive. What, which, whose. These are interrogative. Whose ball is that? So ball. After whose there is a noun, ball. So that's why it is an adjective. Whose ball. Whose is interrogative adjective. Few more examples. Which car is yours? Whose book is this? Which dress do you like? You can notice that which, whose, which. After these words there is a noun. Car, book, dress. Now what is the difference between adjective and pronoun? See few examples. Which book is yours? Which is your book? Now which book is yours? Here after which there is a noun, book. So which is an adjective. And if the second sentence, which is your book, here after which there is no noun, so which is not an adjective, it will be pronoun. But your book, your is a possessive adjective because after your there is a noun. Next sentence, my book is on the table. Here book, whose book? My book. After my there is a noun, so my is a possessive adjective. And this book is mine. Here mine word is pronoun because after that there is no noun. So remember, it is a condition for these adjectives. After these adjectives there must be a noun. Here this book, this word is adjective. Which adjective? Demonstrative. So I hope you must have understood the concept. After watching this video carefully 2 times, you will do exercise 1 and 2. In first exercise, you have to do the activity that I have told earlier. You can do it in notebook as well as on A4 sheet. After that, second activity is making a card. You can do it on book. Then there is third exercise. I am just going to discuss with you. Its first is, she prepared delicious soup for him. Here first of all you will find noun. What is the noun? Soup. Soup is the noun here. Now what kind of soup? It is delicious. So delicious word telling about the quality of a soup. What kind of soup? So it is adjective of quality. Second one is, we help our friends. Now noun is friends. If you find the noun first, it becomes easy for you to tell the kind. So friends. What is the word before friends? Are are word showing the belongingness. So it is possessive adjective. Next is which pen is yours. Now noun is pen. Before noun which. So which is adjective. Now which pen? And it is asking the question. So it is interrogative. Now see the next one. Which is your pen? Again the noun is pen. But adjective is different. Because before pen there is your. Not any other word. So your is telling about the ownership of the pen. So your is possessive adjective. Next one is her skin is wrinkled. Now see this sentence carefully. Here noun is skin. Before skin there is a word her. Her word showing the ownership of the skin. So her is possessive adjective. Now after is helping, there is a verb, be form of verb. After is there is word wrinkled, and wrinkled word showing what kind of skin. So it is telling about the quality of the skin. So it is an adjective of quality. So I hope you have understood this concept. Now you will complete this exercise. After that, do exercise 4. Thank you.